this just happened. Yeah, so that was a good workout. 30 minutes, about 15 minutes of running. So I had breakfast earlier. And as you can see, it's another overcast day. It's 10 o'clock, but by noon it will have cleared out. We'll be in the sunshine.
Press start.
So hi there friends. So it is Monday April 11th, it's 12:30. We have sunshine outside. So I'm gonna make some lunch, make salad, veggies, and then I'm gonna head out and do my errand. Hey there, so it's almost 1 o'clock. Look who gets to drive. Say hi, Ryan.
Hey.
So he's gonna drive a little bit, probably not the whole time, but at least like 15-20 minutes. We got maybe 4 different stops to make. So we're home now. It's 2:30. Gorgeous outside. It is like sunshiny. It's humid. It's hot. But no storms have come in yet, so I think they're coming in later than they anticipated. We don't even see anything from anywhere looking around that anything's coming in. So weatherman is wrong. So we're back from grocery shopping. I'm gonna put all that stuff away. Ryan did good driving. Hey there, we're home making dinner. I gotta show you what I found at Winco. Oh my goodness, so where did my son put him? Okay. So yummy. I found these New York Seltzer root beer sodas. Wow, I haven't had these in years. Talking years. So yeah, I found them at the end of the aisle, just stacked up, different flavors. So I got 6 root beer for like 74 cents each. So yeah, I'm gonna have one of those and cook dinner. And it's 5:30. Hubby gets off work at 6. And then he gets home, he's gonna eat. Maybe we can go for a walk. And then we're gonna relax tonight, because we had a rough weekend, as you know, if you've been watching my videos. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Give this a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. And I'm working on a grocery haul video, so stay tuned for that. Bye.